How to start investing with little money. A practical guide for beginners. You've probably heard the saying, money attracts money, right? But what most people don't tell you is that you don't need to be rich to start investing. With access to digital platforms and financial education, it's now possible to take your first steps with very little and still get great results in the long run. 1. Organize your finances. Know where your money goes before you invest. You need to know your financial situation. How much do you earn? How much do you spend? What's left or missing at the end of the month? Use budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet to track everything. This helps you cut unnecessary spending and frees up money to start investing. Tip: set a fixed investment goal, like $10 or $20 a month, and treat it like a regular bill. 2. Build an emergency fund. Safety first, profit later. Your emergency fund is your financial cushion for tough times like job loss or unexpected expenses. How much should you save? Aim for 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses. Where to invest it? Choose low-risk, high-liquidity options. Government bonds like Brazil's Tesouro Selic, bank certificates of deposit, CDBs, with daily liquidity, conservative money market funds. This money is not meant to grow. It's there to protect you. 3. Choose a safe, fee-free investment platform to start investing. Open an account at a brokerage. Many platforms offer free registration, zero commission fees, user-friendly apps, good customer service. Make sure it's authorized by the relevant financial authorities in your country. 4. Start with fixed income and conservative funds. Stay away from risky assets like stocks or crypto in the beginning. Start simple and safe. Beginner-friendly options. Government bonds, for example, Tesouro Selic, bank CDs, protected by deposit insurance, low-risk investment funds. These help you understand the market and build confidence over time. 5. Invest consistently. The power of compound interest. You don't need a lot of money. You need consistency. Even small amounts invested monthly can grow significantly thanks to compound interest. Automate your contributions if possible, just like paying a bill. Reminder: time plus consistency equals strong investment growth.